If you have a Squarespace website or you're looking to move over to Squarespace and you're looking for a Squarespace SEO case study to even know what is possible with the platform or to find an expert in order to hire, then this video is for you, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk through our best Squarespace SEO case study that you can see what can be achieved with the platform and also help give you the direction in order to find the support you need to make sure your Squarespace website is getting found by target customers. And for those of you that don't know me, my name is Henry Purchase, founder of SEOSpace. We made the SEO plugin for Squarespace, so we've helped over 5,000 Squarespace users improve their SEO. So when it comes to the Squarespace SEO case study, we've pretty much seen it all at this point. And actually what I'm going to do, the case study I'm going to show you is our own website. So you're going to see what is really possible when a website is worked on by these Squarespace SEO experts. And without further ado, let's get into the case study. So here is our Google Search Console. So this shows the organic performance of SEOSpace's website over the past 16 months. And we actually only launched our plugin the 18th of April. It's currently May, so it's just over a year after. So on Squarespace, we've gone from completely zero, as you can see here, to now consistently getting over 250 clicks in the week. So we have gone from 0 to 100 with our Squarespace website. And in terms of how that's actually impacted the business, as you can see here, this is on our Stripe account, and you can see that we've had over 5,200 people sign up to our Squarespace SEO plugin. And as you can see here on our Google Analytics, you can see that almost 50% of those came from Google organic traffic. So that means we've had over 2,500 signups come from Google organic traffic. And as you can see, that has been all achieved within literally the past year. So you may have read on the internet that Squarespace isn't good for SEO and it's hard to get results, but this is literally showing you, this is a live case study. This is my website where we worked really hard on and applied all the Squarespace SEO best practices. And you can see here, literally within a year, what you can achieve. Thousands of customers coming to your website and getting your business off the ground to the point where we consistently get over 100 inbound leads every single week. And this is all been achieved on Squarespace. To give you another perspective, this is actually on Ahrefs. So this is a paid SEO software that we use at our SEO agency. And again, it tells the same tale. When we go for the past year, you can see that we've literally almost gone from 0 to now thousands of visitors every single month, getting thousands of backlinks in the process and improving our domain authority to almost 50. So again, this shows you what is possible when it comes to SEO. So the estimated value of the traffic coming to my website is around $11,500 every single month. So we've gone from 0 to around $11,500 per month coming to our website. Now I can actually tell you that we do get more than this just because we rank for some really high value keywords. So for example, here you can see Squarespace SEO expert. In the UK, we rank position 2. Then we've got Squarespace SEO course. And again, in the UK, we rank position 2. And then finally, Squarespace SEO plugin. Again, we rank position 2, and we also rank for other keywords such as is Squarespace good for SEO? You can see we're position 1 here. So when it comes to ranking on Google for high value keywords, and we've done it on Squarespace. So hopefully this has given you a pretty thorough run through of what actually we've done at SEOSpace and how we've used the Squarespace platform to take my business to literally 0 to now working with thousands of customers all across the world, all through Squarespace. And if you want to see some more Squarespace SEO case studies, what I want you to do is head over to hire us on SEOSpace.co.uk. Then when you scroll down, you're going to see testimonials and case studies from a number of different clients that have worked with us. And if you're also interested to see if your website could be turned into a case study on the SEOSpace website, then feel free to head over to this page where you're also going to be able to book a call directly with me, where we'll have a quick call for me to figure out what your goals are and whether we can help. On top of that, as I've already mentioned, we've also got the SEO plugin for Squarespace, which is primarily what this Squarespace SEO case study is around. And we're also soon releasing, well, soon at the time of recording this video, the SEOSpace Academy, which is going to be our Squarespace SEO course. So as I've already said, if you want to turn your website into a Squarespace SEO case study, then feel free to head over to SEOSpace.co.uk. And of course, if you have enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel where I share Squarespace SEO tips so that you can attract target customers to your Squarespace website. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.